Come test drive the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.